Okay, hey, what's going on YouTube? In this video, we're going to talk about. Oh, sorry, I spoiled the video, the whole video, I mean. Today, we're going to talk about another essential transition called the gradient wipeout that the most editors and these stuff really clear the marker, you dumbass. Okay, this is the grand intro. Bravo, bravo. Okay, we got here, and yeah, here we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Really just right gradient here, and the last one, gradient wipe, will show up its transition itself, and yeah, look at this. It fades in that video, so this is the most beautiful gradient. I mean, not gradient, the most beautiful transition I've ever used and abused, actually. Uh, and that's that.